Today I made the second greatest thing I've made with puff pastry. The first one was my cream cheese Danish with peach, but this is gonna be a pear tart kind of, so I'm gonna need 3 pears. Best if it's a little bit still hard. We're just gonna clean it, clean the insides, and that's pretty much it. And then slicing it very thinly, about half a centimeter, just like that, all of them. Grabbing 1 sheet of puff pastry and putting it on a silicone mat. I prefer silicone, but you can also use what's it called, parchment paper. It doesn't really make any difference. The puff pastry is very buttery, so it's not gonna stick anyway, but I just like the silicone mat because it's reusable. I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I added a little bit of cinnamon, depends on how much you like it, and then fresh nutmeg. I'm grating some fresh nutmeg, about 2 pinches. Again, you don't have to do fresh nutmeg. You can use the pre-grated one or skip it. Just skip it if you don't have it at all, or if you don't like it. I think the combination goes so well with pears. It's kind of like the autumn flavors. It's just so good. Sprinkle it all over the puff pastry, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this part. We are done here, and now we just need to cut a little edge. This is optional, but it will help the puff pastry to kind of rise, give it like a border, just to tell the puff pastry where to rise. It's still gonna rise because I'm not gonna put any filling over there, so it's still gonna rise, but this just helps the process. And then I'm layering the pears on top of each other. I'm doing 3 rows, and I'm gonna bake this at 400. First, I'm gonna bake it for 15 minutes and take it out and then brush it with my mixture that I'm gonna prepare right here, and then put it back into the oven for 5 minutes, take it out, brush it again, put it in for another 5 minutes, so brushing it twice. I got 2 tablespoons of apricot jam, or honestly whatever kind of jam, but apricot was like the most perfect. And I'm adding a tablespoon of rum, totally optional, but it will give like a nice little kick to it. You can also use water if you don't want to use rum, but I microwaved it for like 6 seconds. It just makes the jam softer, so it's easy to spread. 15 minutes gone, and I took it out for my first brush. I'm gonna brush just the pears, only the pears. Do not brush the puff pastry because it will burn. And after brushing just the pears, all of them, I'm gonna put it back for another 5 minutes, and then take it out and then brush it again, just the pears, and then put it back in there for 5 minutes. So brushing it twice. I did not film the second brushing because I felt like unnecessary, but it is done. Now I'm gonna brush the edges. It's gonna give it a little sweetness because puff pastry has no sugar in it, so it's pretty plain without it. With this, we're gonna add some sweetness and of course that beautiful shine that you want to see in the puff pastry. And then again over my pears, and it is done. I cut this up in 6 slices, and we ate the whole thing. Just the 2 of us ate the whole thing. I ate 3 slices, my mother ate 3 slices, and it was gone in about 10 minutes. It came out so delicious, pretty light because there's no filling, but so refreshing. The pear was so juicy, and this was just perfect.